Ladies and gentlemen, 1.2 million of you have spoken so far, asking for a CBI investigation into Sushant Singh Rajput's murder. The Republic Media Network's campaign is unstoppable. The campaign is going to hit home. It is so loud that the Maharashtra government cannot handle it and is asking the family to stay silent. Tonight, as I expose the 20 cover-ups of the Mumbai police, I request each one of you to join us on the story that continues to unravel on your network, the Republic Media Network. The truth will emerge with your support. Now let's debate.
I'm Sushant Singh Rajput's sister, Shweta Singh Kirti, and I request everyone to stand together and demand for CBI inquiry for Sushant. We deserve to know the truth. We deserve justice for Sushant. Otherwise, we will never find closure. We won't be able to live a peaceful life. तहे दिल से आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि हम एकजुट होकर CBI इंक्वायरी की मांग करें, क्योंकि हमें सच जानने का हक है. Thank you. CBI for SSR. Please.
The campaign for a CBI investigation has become a national movement.
We want CBI for Sushant Singh Rajput. We deserve to know the truth.
The nation wants to know what happened with Sushant Singh Rajput. Justice for Sushant. CBI for SSR.
Over 1.2 million people have responded to the Republic campaign. But the state government in Maharashtra wants the family to shut up.
जब तक मुंबई पुलिस का जांच पूरी नहीं, सभी राजनीतिक दल, हमारे विरोधी, परिवार के लोग, अब मुझे लगता है कि समय आ रहा है कि मुंबई पुलिस की जांच पूरी हो जाएगी.
Believe it or not, forget the CBI. They want to close the case. Hear them again.
अब मुझे लगता है कि समय आ रहा है कि मुंबई पुलिस की जांच पूरी हो जाएगी.
The Mumbai police has covered up.
मेरे सामने में पुलिस के द्वारा डायरी उठा के ले गया और जाया गया था. तो डायरी में बाद में पता चला कि कुछ छेड़छाड़ किया गया, कुछ पन्नों को फाड़ा गया है, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी डायरी से जो मटेरियल अभी मीडिया के सामने आ रहा है, जो जांच एजेंसी जांच कर रही है.
And we have 20 reasons why nothing apart from a CBI investigation is acceptable.
There are 20 basic questions which the Mumbai police needs to answer in Sushant Singh Rajput's investigation. First, why did not the Mumbai police file an FIR? Why did not Mumbai police submit an inquest report? Why did not Mumbai police oversee where the post-mortem was being done? Why was the body of Sushant Singh Rajput taken to Cooper Hospital, which is 6 kilometers away from Sushant Singh Rajput's residence, rather than Lilavati Hospital, which was just 1.5 kilometers away? Why was Sandeep Singh allowed to oversee and manage the events leading to the cremation of Sushant Singh Rajput? Why wasn't Sandeep Singh questioned? Why wasn't Riya Chakravarti questioned on the same day? Why wasn't the support staff, especially Dipesh Sawant, Siddharth Pithani, Cook, Kesav, Neeraj, were questioned on the same day? Why did not the Mumbai police investigate into the Disha Salyan case? Why did not Mumbai police investigate into the Disha Salyan case and linked it up with the mysterious death of Sushant Singh Rajput, and also the mysterious death of Sushant Singh Rajput has exposed the Mumbai police in such a way that the Mumbai police official and the senior IPS officer, DCP of Bandra, Abhishek Kurumkar, has been caught speaking to Riya Chakravarti on phone, and Republic has accessed all the call details. So these are the basic questions which the Mumbai police needs to answer, and they have been exposed thoroughly in its investigation. That is why the justice for Sushant Singh Rajput has become a clarion call, and people worldwide and in different parts of India are demanding CBI for SSR.
The focus is now on India's highest court, where 5 submissions have been made.
The Union of India filed its written submission through its top law officer, Solicitor General of India, Mr. Tushar Mehta. They make 4 points. First, they say it is the CBI that should be investigating the case. Secondly, they say the Maharashtra government has still now not registered an FIR. Thirdly, they say 56 recorded statements that have been recorded by the Mumbai police have no backing in law. Lastly, they say another central agency, the ED, is already investigating the case, and therefore it makes sense for CBI, that's also a central agency, to be looking into the matter. It's clearly CBI for SSR, which the centre is batting.
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.